Hello everyone, welcome to Average Joe Watch Reviews, where we do more than just reviews. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Gallant Watch. This is a watch that I have absolutely no experience with whatsoever, so I'm actually extremely excited to dive into this watch. But before we do so, if you're new to the channel, my name is Average Joe, and I welcome you to the Average Joe family. If you'd like to become part of the family, please hit that subscribe button, and the most charitable way to help support the channel is by clicking that like button. So please do so now before you forget. So I was actually put into contact with this company through David Schwartz of the Schwartz Force, and you can actually subscribe to his channel down below. Please tell him that I sent you. He definitely deserves some love. So I was actually put into contact with Gallant, and they actually agreed to send me out a watch. And it's not just any watch. They told me to pick any watch out of their lineup, so I picked this one because I've actually been meaning to get a reverse panda in my collection. So I actually am wearing a panda watch that was given to me by another awesome YouTube channel by the name of Somewhere in Time. I'm gonna put that link down below. Please show him some love. I'd appreciate it. So I'm going to unbox the reverse panda version of the Gallant. I don't know why that's so hard for me to say at 8 o'clock on a Friday night, but let's try that again, please. So we're going to do the unboxing of the Gallant watch right now. All right, so let's get into the unboxing of the Gallant reverse panda. And as we see, it comes in some holographic looking foil here, which is really nice. Now remember guys, this watch is really right around $35, so the packaging alone is above my expectations. So we take off the top, and we got ourselves a little booklet. Never care about those. And we dive right into the watch itself. And here's a nice little thing, guys. I actually could use another one because this always bends on me. So very nice touch. I like that. Thank you very much for including that. But it comes well protected, as you can see. And let's take a look at what we got here. Wow. This is a very impressive looking piece. This does not look like a watch that costs $35. I will admit that. Now guys, this is a quartz timepiece. And look at that second hand. That's the first thing that I notice. That thing is almost sweeping. And you know what's powering this $35 watch? It's a Seiko quartz that actually runs at a higher beat and gives you the appearance of what would be a automatic timepiece. So that's impressive in and of itself. So it looks like we have ourselves a crown protection here. So we just take that off, and this actually needs to come off as well. Off the crystal here. So let's take this off. There we go. There we are. Beautiful, beautiful dial. Wow. I'm liking this piece. And you know, if I saw this on someone's wrist, there is no way that I would say that this was a $35 watch. I would really, really be shocked. I mean, look at the details you have here. I mean, this may be the most affordable panda on the market. See the lollipop? That's pretty cool. So you got a date a week, and you've got a date sub dial there. This is only water resistant to 30 meters. This is not a diver. This is more of a dress piece. So, and you even have a signed crown. The bracelet itself actually doesn't feel bad at all. And I mean, look guys, you're gonna pay, you know, $10 to $20 just for the bracelet alone. So that puts us at a $15 price point for the watch. I mean, come on. I mean, this is like an absolute no-brainer. And the fact that you're getting a watch that really has the appearance of an automatic, it's highly impressive to see, especially at this price point. The white dials are done very well. These are pure white. Now I know when you look at it on Amazon in a picture, it looks kind of grayish, so it kind of threw me off, but these are absolutely ivory white, and the dial itself is jet black. So we do have applied indices, and all of the font is done in white. It appears to have luminescence, but I'll save that for the full review. And we can see it's got a very slim profile. I like the shape of the case. You know, it actually kind of tapers inward, and you do have a nice kind of rounded brushing in the back. And this is all kind of etched, it's not engraved, but it's all done nicely, you know. The crown is actually signed, and it's actually a nice size crown, no crown guards, but the watch is all dial, you know, there's no bezel or anything. This is a purely dress watch with a nice slim profile here, and this is completely adjustable. You just basically take the tool that they give you here, and what you'll do is you'll see a little bit of a lip here, and you can put your tool, and you can even see an arrow here. Let's get that in focus. You can even put the tool in the arrow here and just, here, watch this, and just lift up, and then you can adjust, and then you just press it down just like so. You hear the snap. So this little tool here can go right into that hole, and then you just use it as kind of a fulcrum, and that's a very easy way of adjusting. For those of you that aren't familiar with the terminology, this is a true panda, and this is what you would call a reverse panda. Okay, so let's put the reverse panda on the wrist and show you the wrist presence. And in my full review, I'll do measurements and whatnot. So, but let's just take a look at it on the wrist, and it's a stunner. It really is. I have a 7-inch wrist, and as you can see, it fits on there very nicely. It's got a nice slim profile, and it just pops, guys. It just pops. I'm really, really impressed with this piece, and I look forward to doing the full review for you guys. So I'll get back in front of the camera. All right, so there is the unboxing of the Gallant Reverse Panda. Pretty impressive piece, I must say. But let's wear it for a few weeks, and we'll come back here and we'll do the full review and get my full impression of how it is to wear on a daily basis. So until then, please hit that notification bell so that you are notified as to when that review drops. And I want to thank you very much for joining me today. And always remember that there's always time to be kind to one another. Please take care of each other, and I'll see you guys next time on Average Joe Watch Reviews. God bless.